Hello, everyone. Welcome to Toyeen Talks. Wow. Thank you for your likes, subscribes. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.
After watching the recent conference about the continuous investigation into Mohbad's death by Yomi Fabiyi, where the family of Joseph Aloba, especially the ex-wife and Mohbad mother, were present, I got to find out that aside from the CCTV camera that exists in Mohbad house, there is some recorded video in the phone of Mohbad brother about conflict between Mohbad and the wife. Now, this video has not been released to the public in its full format. There are so many videos that were released when Mohbad passed. Videos of 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, or however you may put that. But this particular one has not been released. Could there be something about this particular 3-second video? This is the thing. I want to believe that the 3 seconds video with Adura is a special one. For it not to have been released, videos of how Mohbad was assaulted years before he died was released. Why was this video not among the circulating video when Mohbad died? There have to be something special about this video. I want to say this to you all, my people. We are calling on the National Assembly to invite the younger brother of Mohbad who have this 3 seconds video recorded in the phone that belongs to him. We want a deeper investigation into that 3 seconds video because he has said it in the interview that there exists the longer form of that video, that just the 3 seconds of it was cut out. We are calling on the National Assembly to summon Mohbad younger brother, Adura Aloba, to present himself before you. We want you to help us unravel this homicide case. It's disturbing. It's maligning our name. Lagos State Command has shown to be weak because until now, the nitty-gritties of this video has not yet been explained. Is there anything that is hidden in that video? Yomi Fabiyi wrote a petition against Adura based on the attempt to defraud him, Yomi, on getting ransom for the video, which he escaped. He wrote a petition and that petition was disregarded. We continue to see a pattern like the Lagos State Command is not interested in a homicide case of how Mohbad died. We want you, the National Assembly, to help us investigate into this matter. You have shown that you can investigate into a criminal case. Very dark man was invited to the National Assembly. Same as Bobrisky, this Mohbad case is disturbing. We need your attention right now. If we really live by rule and order in this country, Nigeria, Lagos State should not be ultimate, especially in a case where there are so many interests. We must have a more neutral body. And I call on every authority in this country. You need to help us. We are suffering. We pay our tax and yet we cannot be protected. We don't want to believe that there can be nobody that can address this homicide case of Mohbad in this country, Nigeria. So people will just die and get forgotten like that. Mr. Governor Sanwo-Olu medical investigation that went abroad has nothing to write about. We continue to see a pattern of an attempt to forget the homicide case of Mohbad. We were told about 2023 where we came out. It was too early. There are so many cases pending. Right now it's going to 2 years. Is 2 years still early to demand for the right thing to be done? We are seeing a pattern of justice delay. Is justice denied? We do not want that. We refuse that in this case. So we are calling on the National Assembly. I, Papariano, join with some members of the public. We are calling on your assistant to invite the people that were present in the house at the time, especially the wife of Mohbad, Adura, Mohbad's younger brother, and the alleged nurse. We want these persons to be present before you, and we want a clean investigation into Mohbad's death because we do not want to be humiliated in the face of the whole world. Mohbad's death really went viral. In fact, this same particular issue came before your assembly, which you recognize. We are still battling with that case here in Lagos. We do not want Lagos State to be ultimate. It is just a state among the 36 states in Nigeria, and they are human beings living here. Their security must be assured. We will not allow any intimidation so far to intimidate us from our right to exist in any part of this country. Mohbad is like any citizen who could have still been alive today. He's a very young man, but was killed in cold blood. I call on the National Assembly of this country, Abuja, to invite this family and help us resolve this issue. If God truly exists in this country and great people of great heart who believe in the rule of law, if you truly exist in this country, join me in intervening into the Mohbad case and let us unravel this and solve this once and for all. And all the persons who's been obstructing justice, let us bring them into book. We are seeing a line of intimidation, of cultic gangs, intimidating people to our own eyes. We cannot live in our own country, scaring us. Where do we run to? We are hated everywhere, all over the world. We try to exist in our own country and get threatened by cultist people, by some people who are influenced in the police or in the military. We will not accept this. So I'm calling on the National Assembly and every high authority in this country to join us in investigating into the Mohbad case. I believe in all of you. If I can be this passionate for another Nigerian, I believe there are more Nigerians out there who are very passionate and more passionate more than me. I call on all the activists in this country. Let's join hands together and show that we love each other in this country. This is for our children. This is for our sake. This is for our country's sake. We want tourism to come to this country. Have we thought of the security that's affecting all of us? So I call on the National Assembly to help us come into this case, to help us investigate into Mohbad's death and help us unravel it. Thank you very much.